Every business has to be online nowadays.
Bitrix24 supports them all.
This is a totally new level of collaboration.
And the feedback has been tremendous.
And I have one word here, revolution.
Absolutely amazing.
Hello and welcome to Bitrix24 release presentation. If you have 10 to 15 minutes to spare, we will tell you about all new important Bitrix24 updates. There are now over 9 million companies worldwide using our services, and this is because we provide all critical business tools such as CRM, project management, and collaboration instruments to you in a single package for a flat fee. And here is my colleague Vlad Kowalski, who will tell you more.
Hello.
Hi, Vlad.
Let's start with document management. All businesses work with documents. You have to be able to create a document, edit that document, and pass it along to your coworkers. And along the way, set the correct access rights as well.
And now let's see how our new Bitrix24 documents allow you to collaborate with others in real time.
Now you and your team can simultaneously edit documents in Bitrix24. Just create a document, invite your team members, and collaborate. Track and review changes in real time. Co-edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations right inside Bitrix24, even during a video call. Share documents with selected users or with the whole company, and discuss them in the feed. Manage document access permissions, invite collaborators, share your documents with external users. All you need for productive online collaboration is now available in Bitrix24. From documents and calendars to tasks, chats, and video calls. Bitrix24, the driving force behind your business, now with collaborative editing.
I work with documents a lot, but my primary tool right now is definitely video conferencing. And we have expanded our HD video calls from 24 participants to 48. And on top of that, we have stabilized the connection, so no matter where you're located or what your internet connection might be, you'll be able to stay connected. Let's check out a quick video.
Invite your colleagues to a chat and start a video conference call with one click. Enjoy crisp, clear audio and video quality while sharing your screen with the other participants. Initiate a video conference right from an event in your calendar and have a quick discussion with everyone who's participating. Finally, you can start an online meeting directly from any task to solve some work-related issues.
Now let's switch gears to project management. Our projects are now 100% remote ready. This is a totally new level of collaboration. You can accurately track time and project progress without ever having to see others face to face.
And no matter the project management method you use, whether it's Agile, Kanban, Scrum, Gantt views, Bitrix24 supports them all.
Managing multiple tasks and projects has become easier in Bitrix24. Now you can change the visual theme of a project to make it stand out and create the right vibe. Another great innovation is our Smart Focus system that filters out the tasks requiring your immediate attention based on recent activity, such as new comments, status updates, and others. You can easily go and switch between different task view modes, Kanban, Deadline, Planner, Calendar, Gantt, and the default list mode to find the one that works better for you. All your projects can now be managed from a single page where they are sorted by activity and feature counters that indicate new comments, overdue tasks, and others. Just click on a project to see how it's moving along and view its files, tasks, deadlines, and more.
There are multiple additional new features inside of our tasks and projects. But let's talk about CRM, because arguably that's where our most important updates have been made.
And I have one word here, revolution, or two words, CRM revolution. Usually when you work with CRM, you're using leads, deals, contacts, or companies. But that's not how every business operates. For example, if you're a lawyer, you mostly work with contracts. And if you are a recruiter, you work with candidates. So with our new smart processes, you can create a custom CRM entity to further automate your business. Here's one example.
Smart processes in Bitrix24 are a whole new level of business automation. To create a new smart process, for example, hiring process, you just need to configure its components. Set the required fields. Enable CRM bindings by selecting the entities you want to link to this new process. And it's ready to go. Since it's hiring process and not sales, default stages won't do. We need to have custom stage names like incoming resume, screened candidates, interviews, and others, all of which you can easily create in our Smart Process Editor. Next, we also need to have custom fields for our candidates. In our case, it could be the candidate's name, the position they're applying for, links to their social media profiles, date of birth, a field called resume that should have their resume file attached, and any other fields you might want to add. Now that we've added a couple of new candidates, we've got them all in the incoming resume stage, and then some of them get screened, interviewed, made an offer, and finally accepted. As this happens, our candidates move from stage 1 to another filling in your vacancies. Any custom entity inside your CRM can be configured to work with all our rules, triggers, or webhooks. For example, you can send an email or a text message automatically to an applicant who's been invited to an interview. Just set it up once, and it will work for you automatically from then on.
I love that our smart process works with our rules, triggers, and webhooks. Absolutely amazing.
But that's not the only new important addition to our CRM because of this thing. Businesses understand how important it is to stay in touch with their clients on mobile devices. And with the next new feature, you can accept payments inside your CRM directly from your customers via messengers and SMS.
With Bitrix24 CRM payments, you can include the payment cycle into your CRM by sending the payment link to your client right from a deal. Choose the product from the catalog and send the client a text message with the payment link. The client can click on the link and purchase the product within a few clicks from their smartphone. The payment status is automatically updated in your CRM.
We have already started testing this feature in Brazil and India, and the feedback has been tremendous.
Now on to the final part of our presentation, e-commerce. We all understand that every business has to be online nowadays. But creating an online store is not very simple. It's time-consuming, it's intimidating, and it can be quite expensive. We have totally removed all of those obstacles so you can start selling online in just 120 seconds, as you are about to see.
With Bitrix24, you can launch an online store in less than 2 minutes. Choose an address and a name for your future online store. Enter your phone number and select the items you want to sell from the product catalog. To see how your customers will view your future online store, scan a QR code we send you. Browse the store from your mobile phone to check its overall look and feel and whether it's right for you. All you have to do now is place a test order and see if this order comes through. This is just to make sure everything works fine before you publish the online store. That's it, less than 120 seconds, just like we promised. Bitrix24 online store also allows you to manage your inventory, accept orders, and receive payments.
And remember, these are just a handful of the new features that are already available to you. We've actually rolled out more than 20 complete updates, and if you want to read about them more in depth, you can check out the link in the video description below.
And all of these features have already been released. If you want to try something that's not currently available on your plan, simply activate free trial.
Thank you, Dimitri.
Thank you a lot.
Thank you all for watching, and thank you for your time. And thank you for using Bitrix24.